I'm not rejoining Special Forces.
Not even to protect Jackie?
Leave her out of this.
Round 1, fight!
How you like that? Somebody's getting whooped. Don't say I didn't warn you. I still got it. How you like that? Somebody's getting whooped. You gonna feel that for days.
Round 2, fight!
I still got it. Don't say I didn't warn you. Somebody's getting whooped. Don't say I didn't warn you. How you like that?
Finish her!
All in a day's work.
Jax wins. Flawless victory.